AJ dreams go beyond.
We are looking for a junior storekeeper responsible for assisting in the receipt, storage, issuance, control of construction materials at the project site or warehouse. The role supports efficient inventory management and ensures materials are available as per project requirements while maintaining proper records and safety standards. 3 to 5 years of experience in building construction projects, civil engineering background, diploma or degree preferred, knowledge of construction materials and inventory control. Basic computer skills, MS Excel, inventory systems. Ability to maintain accurate records and reports. Good communication and coordination skills. Familiarity with health, safety, and environmental standards at construction sites. Candidates should have good organizational skills, time management, teamwork, and coordination.
We are urgently looking for suitable candidates for the above position. Interested candidates are requested to send their CV to Anisha, jn@alrawabit.com or hr@alrawabit.com. Please ensure that the position title is mentioned in the subject line of the email. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and share, so this job opportunity reaches the right candidates. You will also receive notifications for future job updates.